Subscribe to Easy Learning TV for more fun educational videos and songs.
Look around, it's Easter time. The eggs are hiding, look nearby. Yellow, blue, and pink so bright. Can you find one left or right? Do you see the egg? Where could it be? Is it under the tree? Come and look and see. Green and purple, red and gold. Look around, be brave and bold. Behind the bushes on the ground. Hurry up, go look around. Do you see the egg? Where could it be? Is it in the grass? Come and look and see. Orange, pink, and blue, oh my. The eggs are hiding, give it a try. In the flowers or by the gate. Do you see one? Don't be late. Do you see the egg? Where could it be? Is it by the tree? Come and look and see. Look up high, look down low. The eggs are hiding, here we go. In your basket, fill it fast. Easter fun is such a blast. Do you see the egg? Where could it be? Is it near the flowers? Come and look and see.